Everyone knows Newton's first law of motion. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. Florida's manufacturing sector is a prime example of this concept in action. An $86.5 billion historically strong industry, currently facing strong headwinds from national and state trends alike. I'm Garrett Govea, research economist at Florida TaxWatch. In this video, we'll walk through key findings from our latest report, Florida Manufacturing, a highly productive and integral economic driver. You can find the full report at floridataxwatch.org/research. Manufacturing plays an essential role in Florida's economy and workforce, more than many of us realize. In 2025, Florida ranked 6th among all states in the total value of manufactured goods exported. During this time, its output surpassed that of tourism and agriculture. Its workforce impacts are just as stark, employing more than 434,000 people in 2025 with an average salary of $87,000. This salary figure is even more impressive when you consider that of the 15 largest manufacturing positions, only 11 need a high school diploma or equivalent. This marks manufacturing not just as a gateway to productivity for Florida, but also as a high-earning opportunity for those that don't wish to go down the path of traditional schooling. So, why the concern? Well, the entire U.S. manufacturing industry faced many difficulties in 2025. Notably, the inconsistent status of tariffs created an unstable setting for American manufacturing and its international business partners. This slowed trade and increased the price of inputs to production. Florida was particularly impacted by this, as the supplies from trade were necessary pieces in making the intricate goods Florida specializes in. Thankfully, Florida's strong economic activity mitigated many of these national issues, although manufacturers still report being concerned about tariffs and the ongoing military action in Iran moving forward. Unfortunately, there's a national trend that Florida is incredibly vulnerable to: an aging workforce. Over half of the manufacturing workforce is 45 years or older, with 73% of senior manufacturing leaders preparing to retire over the next decade. This presents serious concerns on multiple fronts. Not only will there be a workforce shortage, but a lack of knowledge that can be passed through generations of their workforce. This is not an issue that can naturally pass. It needs to be directly addressed. State investments in job training programs need to be expanded to strengthen pipelines between firms and prospective workers. Internally, manufacturing companies need to use digital tools such as video lessons and connected worker platforms to make sure knowledge doesn't slip through the cracks. Florida's manufacturing industry has continued to show its value in the state, both to its workers and other taxpayers. But it faces a fast-coming crisis through a workforce that threatens to retire before their valuable experience can be passed and replaced. Preventative approaches must be taken, helping bring velocity back to a valuable industry facing some strong resistance. To learn more and explore the full data behind this report, visit floridataxwatch.org/research.